Welcome back. Today we're gonna take this Yamaha outboard motor, throw it on the stand so we could talk about it. Do you guys like this 4-stroke or do you like this 2-stroke? What this replaced? It's gonna go on the stand right now. 150 TLRD. Are you ready for the takeoff? This 4-stroke outboard has been making waves in the boating community, and for good reason. This engine promised to deliver impressive performance, efficiency, and reliability by making it a potential game changer. The older 2-strokes have been the go-to choice for many years, and there are people that still love them like me. But they got some drawbacks. They're notoriously thirsty for guzzling fuel at an alarming rate. This not only hurts your wallet, but also a negative impact on the environment. That's why the EPA started making everybody go to 4-stroke. 2-stroke engine also require a mix of oil and gas, which can cause a hassle to manage. Another issue is their lifespan. Everybody says 2-strokes don't last that long, but if maintained properly, I think they could last just as long as this 4-stroke that actually overheated and actually blew its head gasket. So what makes the Yamaha 150 4-stroke so special? For starters, it's of course fuel efficient, using advanced technology, minimum fuel consumption, and it also delivers smooth power. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please let me know if you like this video or you would like to see more parts information videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later.